Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I came up with a challenge. So basically I have seen a lot of beauty gurus are creating look using only foundation. Only foundation is not going to work. You need few more things also. But today this is what I have created using two foundation. So I have used this darker foundation and this lighter foundation and mixed together and created my base foundation and everything else. I needed one more cool tone foundation. This is a warm tone foundation, and for my, at least for my brows or little bit for my eyes also, maybe to make a kajal like style, you need a cool toned one. So other than that, I have used little bit of powder near my eyes, otherwise the foundation is going to crease. And I have also used some mascara, otherwise my eyes are not looking good. But the base, contour and brows and lips all are with the both the foundation. Mostly with the darker foundation only I did. For the lighter foundation I needed for little bit of highlighting and for my base foundation. So if you want to know how I have created this look using this two foundation and little bit of powder and mascara, then keep on watching. So jumping straight in, I have got this darker shade foundation. This is really dark shade. This is the L'Oreal True Match. You can see it is very dark, L'Oreal Infallible. So I have selected these two foundations because they are matte. I don't need any powder for this. Next I am going to use the lighter foundation for highlighting my face. I am going to take some powder to set my under eyes, otherwise they are going to crease. So I am just taking this with me powder. Now I am going to do my brows. So I am going to take this darker shade. So this is quite watery, so I am going to spread it so that it dries up a little bit and a little bit easy to, and becomes a little bit tacky, and then it will be easy to work with it. I'm also going to bronze my face using the darker shade. Now is the time for brows. Using this Real Techniques brush, I am going to take the product which is our dried and apply it for my brows. I think my brows are going to be a little bit red today. It's the time for eyeshadow. So I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush. I think this big fluffy brush is doing quite better to blend the foundation and all over my eyelids. I'm going to take the same brush that I have used for my brows and apply it in my lower lash line. Definitely I need some mascara because this is, the eyes are not looking quite dark enough, so I'm going to add some mascara. That's better. It has given some darkness in my lashes, in my eyes. Apply the darker foundation on all over my lips. So I'm going to highlight under my brow bone using a little bit of the lighter foundation. So this is what I could create with two foundation, one darker and lighter. So now I know if I want to use only foundations rather than a warm tone foundation, I need a cool tone foundation also. Only eyeshadow is not going to pull the look. I definitely need some mascara or kajal. If you like this video and want this kind of video, please give a big thumbs up to this video. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, it encourages me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.